To consistently catch 50 pips a day, you need a specific setup that occurs regardless of the pair. And your work is just to look through the pairs at a specific time to spot that setup. In this video, expect to learn a simple reversal strategy that will get you to 50 pips a day in no time. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I have a free mentorship program teaching this same strategy. Link will be in the description. Let's jump into the video. Obviously, for us to catch 50 pips a day, we need to have a strategy. And the high of week, low of week reversal strategy is the simplest that I know of. And if you can answer these three questions, where is the high and the low of the week? What is the signal? And where is the entry? If you can answer all these questions, then you are set to finding your 50 pips a day. Where is the high and the low of the week? So we caught this move today, and luckily for us, today is on a Monday, and everything begins on Monday. So Monday sets the high and the low of the week. Think about it. That is when the week starts. So the weekly candle will open on Monday. Now, if we look at TradingView, you can go to settings and you can put this, you can go to events and check this box, session breaks. That shows you exactly when the day ended. And this is very important because, as you can see in our case here on this Monday, this is the high of the week. And the high of the week is defined as the highest point price has reached that week. And since this is the beginning of the week, the high of the day on Monday is also the high of the week. And this is the low of the week, like that. Now, we can also look at the previous week because it's important to see how the high and the low of the week evolves throughout the week. So this is Monday, and don't get worried when it reads Sunday and Monday. Provided you use these lines to show you the beginning and the end of the day, you are good to go. So on this day, this is the low of the week, and this is the high of the week on Monday. Now on Tuesday, what happens is that price pins or breaks out of the high. So this now sets the new high of the week. And if you want to look for any setup, you would wait for price to come back above the high of the week. Again, price comes back to this level again, and you can see that the reaction is actually outside of the high of the week. So again, this is the new high of the week, and price continues breaking out and pinning the high, giving us a new high of the week on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, same thing happens. As you can see, price breaks out, gives us a new high of the week. So, and then we have another breakout, that's a new high of the week. And yeah, the whole day does not break out again. On Thursday, we are inside, but at the close of the day, we extend the high of the week. And then on Friday, as price closed, you can see that we have the high of the week here. So that is how the high and the low of the week evolves. So what is the signal? Now, before we answer the signal, we need to know the time we are looking for our signal. And in this case, we only need 2 hours for every session. Now, for Asia, we need to look at time from 9 to 11 p.m. New York time. And then for London, it's 3 to 5 a.m. New York time. So yes, 3 to 5 a.m. New York time. And then for New York, it's 9 to 11 a.m. New York time. And this brings us now to the signal. So if you know the timing window, all you have to do is just wait for the timing window. In our case, we got
our trade setup in the Asian session. So if we are looking from 9, so that would be 21. That is when we start looking for our setup, from 21 to 23, like that. So what this means is that now we know exactly where we can locate the high and the low of the week. This being the high. Now you can see that we don't have any information in the timing window, because when we come to the screen, this is what we see. We see nothing, like that. So this is the high and this is the low of the week. Keep in mind, this is Monday. So Monday is the high and the low of the week, and also the high and the low of the day. So the signal is very simple. We want to see a breakout and then a price reversing. This is called a failed breakout. So a failed breakout at the high or the low of the week is our signal that we might be reversing. Where is the entry? We go to the 1 minute time frame, and exactly what we want to see is, as you can see, we are in an uptrend. So we want to see a downtrend and then an engulfment to the upside. So price is going down very explosively, and then we have this move. So once we start to see a clean move down, and this is called a 3-bar pattern, where we have 3 strong bars going down, and then we have 3 strong bars reversing in that direction. So the moment this price broke this level, this is the first entry, and then we wait for price to continue. And as you can see, price did not exactly go as planned, and we also have another 3-bar, 1 2 3 down, 1 2 3 up. This is also a place, once price breaks this level, this is also a place where you can add in a position, and price breaks that level, breaks this level again, price continues higher. So this is our entry, by the way. This is the first entry, your stops at that level. And then we are also looking at price action and the way it's going. So you can see that we have this W pattern here with the break of structure. So this is where we break structure. This is where we break structure. So we have this W, price goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, break structure. So when we see this break of structure, if we retest and see an engulfment candle, so let's wait for the engulfment candle. Yes, this candle here. This is also a place where you can get in and add in another position. So far we've seen 3 positions in, but you can see the entry is the same as here. So that is where I got in, and we are targeting the high of the day, like that. So usually all the trades that I take, I am usually targeting the high of the day. And yeah, we wait for price to continue doing its thing. So you can see price continued breaking down, and it went up. And then if we see another 3-bar candle, we get in a 3-bar pattern. And anyway, to save time, you can go back test it yourself. Price did its thing for a few hours, and then later in the London session, we had the move back up to the high of the day. So this is very simple. Just answer where the high and the low of the week is, wait for the signal at the high of the week, and then where is the entry, look for the entry. If you got value from today's video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them on the comments section. I will get back to them, and I will see you in the next video.